everyone, I'm Carol from Caring With. Thank you for joining me on video 2 of our breathing series. Before we start, I would just like to ask that if you have candles or incense burning, that you just move them away from you. You don't want them irritating you as you're actually doing these breathing techniques or these while you're practicing and doing the exercises. So the first technique is the alternate or the single nostril breath. Now the aim of this exercise is to actually help to calm you down and bring peace when you're feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling uncomfortable. So I'm not going to say left or right because I'm not mirror image to you and it gets a bit confusing. So I'm just going to say nostril 1 and nostril 2. It doesn't matter which one you start with, okay? So there's 2 variations on this particular breathing technique and we'll go through both. So technique number 1, you hold or block nostril 1 and you slowly breathe in through nostril 2. And then you block nostril 2 and you breathe out through nostril 1. Block nostril 1, breathe in through nostril 2. Block nostril 2 and breathe out through nostril 1. So just continue doing that for a little while. Now when you're doing this exercise, you don't have to force your breath in and force your breath out. I'm doing it to show you how to do it. If you are going through anxiety at the time, then yes, it's a good idea to concentrate, tell yourself breathe in, breathe out, because it brings your thoughts all back together. But you can if you're feeling uncomfortable, but you don't need the you don't need to sort of stop and all of a sudden bring everything back. You just want to feel that peace. You can just breathe in at your normal rhythm, but just switch your hands when you know that you're about to breathe in or breathe out again. So it's quite simple. Now, some people do it this way, some people do it this way, and some people do it this way. So try them all, find out which one you're more comfortable with. Now, because you can do breathing exercises wherever you are, so whether you're at home, whether you're out or in your car, you want to feel comfortable while you're doing them. So if you're out, say you're at a restaurant and you start feeling overwhelmed and anxious, you're not going to want to sit there doing it this way because people are going to say, what are you doing? But if you pop your hand on the table and you do it this way, they're not even going to realise what you're doing. So find the way that's comfortable for you. Now, the second variation on this is, again, it is the alternate or the single nostril breath, but this time we block nostril 1 and we breathe in through nostril 2. But instead of breathing out through nostril 1, we breathe out through the same nostril. So you're breathing out through the one you breathe in. Block nostril 2 and breathe in through nostril 1. And breathe out through nostril 1. Block 1, breathe in through nostril 2. And breathe out through nostril 2. I actually prefer doing the second variation rather than breathing in 1 and out 1 and in 1 and out 1. I actually like breathing in and out the same because I find that it's more calming. You're not rushing your fingers to do it. You can just take that breath in and breathe out and then breathe in and breathe out. So practice them, see which one you feel more comfortable with. Video 3 is going to be our second technique, and that's going to be the 4 count breath. So we'll see you in video 3. Thank you.